When it comes to managing projects with Gantt charts, two platforms often come up, Monday.com and GanttPRO. But which one truly stands out for Gantt chart users? Well, after testing both extensively, I'm going to break down their strengths and weaknesses, and by the end, you might be surprised by the better option for your needs. Stay tuned until the end because I'll reveal an even better alternative. Let's kick things off with Monday.com. This platform is widely known for its user-friendly interface and flexibility. It offers a wide range of features, including customizable workflows and integrations with other tools. But when it comes to Gantt charts, Monday.com can feel a bit limiting. Sure, you can add timelines and dependencies, but the Gantt chart functionality isn't as robust as you might expect for a platform that promotes itself as an all-in-one project management tool. It does allow you to create a Gantt chart view, but its features are more geared toward task management and team collaboration than detailed Gantt chart planning. Next thing, let's talk about GanttPRO. As the name suggests, this tool is specifically built for Gantt charts. The interface is straightforward, and the primary focus is on providing a highly visual and intuitive Gantt chart experience. It excels in timeline management, task dependencies, and critical path tracking. If Gantt charts are your number one priority, GanttPRO definitely feels more polished and offers deeper functionality in this area. However, GanttPRO isn't as flexible in terms of integrations and broader project management features. It's great for Gantt chart users, but if you need advanced team collaboration tools or a full suite of project management features, you might feel restricted. The third thing to consider is the learning curve. Monday.com is known for being easy to get started with, even for beginners. It's very intuitive, and creating your Gantt chart view is relatively simple. GanttPRO, while focused on Gantt charts, does require a little more time to get used to. But once you get the hang of it, the experience is smooth and tailored to your project management needs. If you're someone who's looking for quick setup and less of a learning curve, Monday.com might be a better fit at first glance. The fourth thing is pricing. Monday.com's pricing is on the higher end, especially when you want access to features like advanced Gantt chart views and project management capabilities. GanttPRO, while offering competitive pricing, focuses more on Gantt chart features at a more affordable cost. If you're someone who's just looking for a good Gantt chart tool, GanttPRO might give you more value for money, whereas Monday.com might be a bit overkill unless you need the full package. Finally, let's touch on support and customer service. Monday.com has a large community and a solid support system with multiple resources like tutorials, FAQs, and live chat. GanttPRO, though smaller, has an equally responsive customer service team and an active community for troubleshooting specific Gantt chart-related issues. Both are reliable, but if you're heavily relying on the platform for Gantt chart tasks, GanttPRO's support might feel more tailored to your needs. Both Monday.com and GanttPRO are good tools. But if you're a true Gantt chart user, GanttPRO is the better option. It's built for that specific use case, providing more features and flexibility in Gantt chart planning, which is why it edges out Monday.com in this regard. However, after trying both and exploring other options, if you want something that combines a better Gantt chart experience with other essential project management features, there's an even better solution. And if you want to try it out, click the first link in the description to grab the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.